How to use apple cider vinegar for arthritis and some recipes to use at home. 1. Arthritis is a painful condition which can lead to a poor quality of life. This is where the joints become inflamed and swollen throughout the body. It is commonly associated with stiffness of the hands, elbows, knees, toes, jaw, hips and other joints in the body. 2. Apple cider vinegar is one of nature's most powerful natural cures. This has been used since ancient times for its wonderful medicinal properties, which can also be used to get rid of arthritis pain. 3. Arthritis usually occurs when the body has not been absorbing enough healthy nutrients and minerals. This is usually caused by a problem with the digestive system. Apple cider vinegar boosts your body's ability to absorb healthy nutrients from foods by improving the health of your stomach. This works particularly well for those suffering with gout, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis. 4. It also provides essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, magnesium and phosphorus. These are important for excellent joint and bone health. Magnesium helps the bones to absorb calcium. 5. Apple cider vinegar also contains antioxidants and carotenes, which prevent damage caused by free radicals in the body. This helps the cells and tissues of the joint to regenerate and heal naturally. 6. Pectin, acetic acid and malic acid within this vinegar absorbs toxins from the body which may be causing joint pain. They also remove metabolic waste from the connective tissues in the joints, which lowers inflammation. 7. If you suffer with gout, then taking apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce pain within 3 hours. The vinegar destroys uric acid crystals in the joints and purifies the liver and kidneys. 8. It is also important that you purchase raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar for the best effects. Look for brands which contain mother. These are strands of healthy bacteria which boost the health of the body overall. They appear like spider webs in the bottle after it has been sitting for a while. 9. Take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water in the morning to start the day. Repeat this with every meal. You can add healthy homemade juices to improve the flavour if you wish. 10. Alternatively, mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 250 milliliters of cherry juice. Cherries have long been used to relieve arthritis pain. They contain anthocyanins, which reduces inflammation in the joints and connective tissue. Drink this twice per day. 11. You can also purchase apple cider vinegar in capsule form, but you may need to take lots of these to reach the desired effect. 12. Honey has also been shown to have some beneficial effects on improving energy levels and lowering inflammation. A teaspoon of organic honey can be added to the drinks mentioned earlier to improve the flavour. 13. Be sure to drink apple cider vinegar consistently for at least 2 to 3 weeks, as it may take some time to heal the inflamed tissues and joints. You can continue this every day without side effects long term. 14. Apple cider vinegar also improves digestive health and can be a miracle cure for improving a great range of medical problems throughout the body. 15. A wonderful foot soak can also be made with apple cider vinegar to reduce arthritis pain and sciatica. Simply soak 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with 6 cups of warm water. Soak the feet in this for 1 hour. 16. We also recommend eating a large quantity of fresh vegetables and leafy salad leaves to improve arthritis. Kale, wheatgrass and sea kelp are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals which will help to re-mineralise the joints and prevent future pain. 17. To learn more about apple cider vinegar and its wonderful benefits, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.